Hey, what if I gave you the keys to the exact system that helped us generate hundreds and even thousands of dollars in commissions, day in and day out, in the laziest way possible, without lifting a finger and on complete autopilot? Sounds crazy, I know, but in the next few minutes you're going to see undeniable proof that it's not just possible, it's happening for people way dumber than you, right now. You see, all of these instant ClickBank payments, all of them directly hit my affiliate account every hour of the day, 365 days a year. This system pays me both regular low-ticket commissions and high-ticket commissions of over $1,000 a time. Check out how much I made from ClickBank last week. These aren't screenshot tricks or faked Stripe numbers. This is cold hard cash that hit my account while I was watching Netflix and eating leftover pizza. These earnings are from a 7-day period. That's thousands of dollars that I've received direct into my bank account without needing to do much work at all. It's really easy for me to make this kind of money because the truth is, it's thanks to a little-known loophole on X that Elon Musk hasn't managed to fix yet, which is allowing regular people like my students and I to cash in big time. And to be honest, I don't think he even knows this glitch exists, or if he does, maybe he just doesn't care. Either way, his $44 billion empire is now your personal piggy bank. I'm sure you're desperate to know how to join us and do the same, but more on that in a minute. I have multiple accounts collecting cash right this minute, and I'm not telling you this to brag or to show you how smart and successful I am. I'm telling you to impress upon you what is truly possible for regular everyday working people like you. You don't need to be smart. You don't need a brand. Hell, you don't even need an idea. If you can copy, paste, and click, then you're already qualified. This works for anyone looking to start a side hustle or generate a few extra $100 per day in 2025. We're talking affiliate marketers, product owners, e-com store owners, CPA marketers, online coaches, and of course, stone-cold newbies who have zero online experience. The truth is, I don't have any special skills. I'm not a genius, and I hate anything technical, and that still didn't stop me from making hundreds and even thousands of dollars per day online. And you know the best part about all of this? There's no tech headache, no chasing clients, no begging strangers to buy. Just set it, forget it, and let the AI print your commissions on autopilot. This was the laziest but most effective way I've been able to make money online. It's like we're riding on the back of Elon's rocket ship, using the very platform he spent billions building to quietly siphon off commissions every hour of the day. And if you would like to do the same, I'd love to introduce you to CB Money Glitch X, an extremely powerful AI system that does all the work for us to make at least $50 to $100 per day on ClickBank without the need for us to sell anything ourselves at all. It takes minutes per day, and what makes CB Money Glitch X truly special is that this system runs on complete autopilot in the background, and it's all thanks to this powerful, never-before-seen loophole where we turn any old X account into an automated money-making machine. And don't worry if you don't have an X account, you don't need one. We've found a unique way to cash in with this loophole, whether you're an active X user or not. And again, it's all thanks to the magic man Elon Musk. CB Money Glitch X is by far the easiest and most profitable money-making system we've ever created. It exploits a $44 billion loophole on X to make us thousands of dollars in profit, and we've got the great Elon Musk to thank for that. Love him or hate him, he's done us a favor here and forgot to patch up a hole in the platform that allows us to benefit from free traffic streams so powerful they're spitting out ClickBank commissions like a broken ATM. And the best part? Nobody's watching, nobody's stopping it, and right now it's all yours for the taking. But this won't last forever. The moment this loophole goes viral, it's game over. So if you're seeing this now, you're one of the lucky few.
Glynn, thank you. CB Money Glitch on my phone made me $500 this week. Just pressed a few buttons. If I can do it at 80, anyone can.
Glynn, bless you. CB Money Glitch made me $200 this week. I just clicked a button and let it run. At my age, that's a miracle.
Shout out to Glynn. CB Money Glitch X gave me about $100 a day, just a couple clicks on my phone while I work.
Glynn, thank you. CB Money Glitch X pays me around $100 a day. One click on my phone and it runs. It's so easy.
As you saw earlier, these payments we're receiving on a daily basis rack up pretty fast And it really isn't that hard to crack consistent $100 days at the bare minimum with this unique XAI loophole, thanks to the genius Elon Musk. And wouldn't it be nice for you to wake up to paydays like this? Using inbuilt free traffic and our in-house AI cash system that exploits X, we're generating commissions 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, which allows us to focus on more important things in life, like spending time with family, going on vacation, buying fancy cars, and investing into stocks and crypto. It doesn't matter where you are in the world or what your experience online is. All you need is internet access, a smartphone or laptop, a copy of CB Money Glitch X, and you're good to go. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with CB Money Glitch X. Step 1. Grab a copy before the price increases. Click on any of the links on this page to get instant access to CB Money Glitch X. Step 2. Activate your CB Money Glitch X money link. Step 3. Copy and paste your Money Glitch link, activate the built-in X buyer traffic, and click the magic Go button. Yeah, you heard it right, it's that easy. Now this is the part where most people say, wait, that's it? And then they watch commissions roll in faster than they can refresh their dashboard. CB Money Glitch X precisely knows how to find a hungry crowd of buyers across X, so that we can earn commissions without actually selling anything. And remember, setting up your CB Money Glitch X money link takes less than a minute. This is free traffic and commissions on steroids thanks to Elon Musk and his platform X. And the best part? Musk's team is too busy launching satellites and arguing on X to notice. So while they're distracted, we're getting paid. Now, at this point, you've seen all the proof, you know how well CB Money Glitch X works, but how much is it going to cost? Well, considering it's the same system that's making us a minimum of $100 per day, you can't really put a price tag on that. It's priceless. At minimum, we'd have no problem charging $497 per month for access to this, and I'd have no problem getting hundreds if not thousands of people to pay this price because it would quickly pay for itself. But I get it. That's a huge commitment to make, and I know it's hard for you to try out new things with all the scams out there. To give you a chance to access CB Money Glitch X, I'll be offering it at a price that anyone can afford. In addition to the discount, you'll be receiving thousands of dollars worth of fast action bonuses. But this offer is only available for a limited time only. I can't give everyone this discount as it would overwhelm our servers. If you come back later, I can't promise you anything, and there's a good chance your spot will be taken by someone else. So please don't delay. What's the risk considering you're backed by our 180-day money-back guarantee? I'll even go one step further and give you personal one-on-one coaching if you fail. Yep, that's how confident I am that CB Money Glitch X will work for you. What are you waiting for? The ball is now in your court. Click the button below right now to get CB Money Glitch X while it's still available at the early bird discount price. If you're still on the fence, let me remind you the only thing standing between you and your first $100 day is a single click. Do it now or stay broke.